Hey there, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into a common problem that many of us have encountered at some point. Picture this. You're working on your computer, fully immersed in a project, when suddenly, out of nowhere, the screen goes black. Yet, you guess that the infamous problem we're talking about today is none other than the dreaded screen blackout issue. It can be frustrating and disruptive, especially if you're in the middle of something important. But fear not, we've got a solution for you. Now, on to the solution. The key to fixing the screen blackout problem lies in adjusting the power settings of a computer. By going into the control panel and tweaking the power options, you can prevent your screen from blacking out unexpectedly. Make sure to extend the time before the screen turns off when the computer is idle. This simple solution can work wonders in keeping your screen awake and active when you need it the most. Remember, prevention is the best cure. In summary, the next time you're faced with the pesky screen blackout problem, don't panic. Simply head over to your computer's control panel, adjust the power settings, and say goodbye to those annoying blackouts. Thanks for tuning in today. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment below with your thoughts. And remember, a watch screen never blacks out or something like that.